What are Microsoft Copilot's new AI innovations? Microsoft 365 has been adding some amazing AI innovations. They sit inside tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and more. These smart Copilot features can enhance your experience and boost productivity. Copilot is designed to be your virtual collaborator. It can help you do everything from generate code to creating emails more efficiently. Here are ways to take advantage of the benefits offered by Microsoft Copilot. Speed up document creation. Copilot provides intelligent suggestions, helping you articulate your thoughts more effectively. It speeds up the writing process and ensures that your content is clear, concise, and tailored to your audience. Enhance your Teams meeting experience. Copilot in Teams can create coherent and context-aware responses like a summary of meeting notes and an action item list. It can also help you catch up on what you've missed. You arrived late to a Teams meeting? Ask Copilot to summarize the important points of the conversation. Create PowerPoints with ease. The AI-infused features in PPT can create a slide deck for you based on text prompts and can even add in stock images. Enjoy smart business insights in Excel. Excel ideas can automatically detect patterns and trends in your data. It helps you analyze and visualize your data with ease. Excel ideas will suggest charts, tables, and summaries that best suit your needs. Save time in Outlook with AI help. You can use Copilot in Outlook to summarize the key points of an email to save yourself from reading those long, repetitive emails. It can also help write emails and suggest responses to emails in your inbox. As we embrace the era of intelligent productivity, Microsoft 365 becomes more powerful. Its new AI innovations pave the way for a more efficient work environment. By incorporating these capabilities into your daily workflow, you're staying competitive. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.